What's up, everybody? My name's Phil. I work for BKD Design, and we get a lot of packages in the mail because we do a lot of jobs for people. So right now, I'm going to do our first ever unboxing video and give you guys a little taste of what we do, let you see some products, and also get that sweet, sweet unboxing therapy. So let's start with this guy right here. We got quite a few for you. This is for a company called Strut Wipe. So we got a few different things for them. Well, let's see what's inside. Alright, what do we have here? We got a nice black bag, nice and long, very soft, good for holding things. And it sounds like there's some metal inside. Let's see what comes out of this. Looks like we got some high quality metal tubes and a nice metal rectangle with some black things on it. So what this actually is a banner stand for one of those typically like 3 feet wide, maybe about 7 foot tall banners that you see at trade shows with some marketing and pictures and something about the company that they want you to know. So this is a stand for that. Pretty nice, I know. So let's move on to box number 2. Alright, this is most likely the same thing, but we'll unbox it anyways. And out of this box, we got another nice black bag with, like I said, the same thing inside. Metal poles and another banner stand. All right, so now let's get to the interesting stuff. Not that banner stands aren't interesting, but they're not. All right, next we got this big guy. Get this out of here. This beauty is gonna have something magical inside. Look at that. A nice rectangular black bag this time. Alright, let's see what's inside this bad rascal. Holy moly. Look at all of this aluminum piping. This has got to be for a much larger banner. This one even comes with some gloves for safety. That's what these are, yeah? Yeah, I guess when you don't want to get any blisters when putting this thing together. Man, there are so many of these. This one is labeled 19 We got a 20, 21. Look at that, 21 pipes. That's a lot of pipes. Last one. Here's the big one, the big boy. All right. This thing is a beast. Oh. Oh. No idea if you can see me. No idea if you can see this. But man, oh man, is this guy big. All right, here we go. Let's see what's inside. First of all, we got something wrapped in bubble wrap. I don't even know where to start with this. Look at that. Look at that. All right, let's see what's inside the bubble wrap. A giant black tub. Nice. Holy cow. This thing is a beast. Strut Wipe, you will be very prepared. All right, let's unclip these. Open this up. What do we have here? Haha! So now we have our banners. So you guys can actually see what is going on those stands. I believe this one is maybe a tabletop banner, but I could be wrong. Look at that. Nice material. Strut Wipe. It's better than a rag. Better believe that. This thing's better than a rag, let me tell you. It's like a parachute. You could jump out of a plane with this thing. Alright, well that's one. We also got a nice, this one felt more like maybe like a polyester cotton mix, maybe. I feel like this one's just kind of like a solid polyester. Look at that. Look at that. This is what we do. This is what we do, y'all. All right. Number 3. This is going to be one of the ones that goes on the first box that we opened, the first and second box. Probably holding it up way too high. I'm probably too high right now. then here's our last one. This is gonna look good at their conference, let me tell you. Let me just tell you that right now. Material feels great, nice and thick, very durable. Here we go, Strut Wipe. It's better than a rag. All right, wow, let's get this off the table. This thing is a beaut. And she even comes with wheels for easy mobility. You're welcome, Strut Wipe. This is gonna be the greatest thing you ever bought. Let me just put it that way. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Again, name's Phil. Bended Knee Design. If you liked what you saw and you want something done, you can always find us at bendedknee.com. Otherwise, you know, if you like the video and you want to see more, like and subscribe, as they say. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.